Tired of the endless manual grind of cold emailing? Let's supercharge your outreach and turn those tedious tasks into automated wins with Zapier. First, we need to define our data source. This could be a Google Sheet, a CRM, or any other platform where you store your potential leads and their relevant information for this demonstration. We'll use a simple Google Sheet containing prospect names, company names, and their email addresses. Now, let's head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. Our trigger will be that new row added to our Google Sheet, so we'll select Google Sheets as the app and new spreadsheet row as the trigger event. Next, we'll connect our Google account and select the specific spreadsheet and tab that contains our lead data. Zapier we'll then pull in a sample row to ensure the connection is working. Now for the magic, our action will be sending a personalized email. We'll choose an email marketing platform that integrates with Zapier. Platforms like MailChimp, Sendinblue, or Constant Contact are excellent choices. Let's select MailChimp for this example. We'll connect our MailChimp account and choose an appropriate action for sending a cold email. The send campaign, or a similar feature that allows for custom content, is ideal. Alternatively, you might choose Add Update Subscriber, and then trigger an automated, personalized welcome email from MailChimp itself. This is where the personalization happens. We'll map the data from our Google Sheet directly into our email template. For instance, we'll use the name column from our sheet to populate the hi. Craft your email copy here. Using those dynamic fields we just mapped. The beauty of this is that Zapier will automatically insert the correct information for each recipient, saving you immense time and making your outreach far more effective. Before turning on your Zap, it's crucial to test it. Zapier will send a test email based on the sample data. Review this test email to ensure all the personalization is appearing correctly and the formatting is as you intended. Once you're happy with the test, hit that Turn on Zap button and your automated cold email campaign is live. Now, every time you add a new lead to your Google Sheet, Zapier will automatically send them that personalized email, freeing you up to focus on other growth activities. There you have it, effortless, personalized cold email outreach, scaled efficiently through the power of Zapier. Happy automating.